Yo guys, welcome back to another AKP Gamer video today. Today, I got a vending machine jackpot today. I got this from the Pokemon vending machine at my local store, and let's open it today. Let's start with the Surging Sparks pack. Dino, Flittle, Blitzel, Strudel, Armoroge, Pasho Berry, Amazurl, Esper. Ooh, that's a good one. I can't remember the name of this one sadly, but that looks nice. Illustration right there. Basic Fire Energy, and that. And then I got the new set here, Mega Evolution Pitch Black. Haven't opened this set yet, but let's see. Got the Kangaskhan code card. Type Null, Grubbin, Drillbur, Piplup, Seeking, Dark Bell, Bennett, Armored Fossil. Oh, let's go! Silvally special illustration rare. Let's go! This is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite Pokemon from Gen 7. Let's go! Let's go! And then basic Leaf Energy code card. Let's go to the Journey Together booster bundle. If I can open it. Get the scissors out. There we go. Let's get this open. Got 6 packs of Journey Together here. Get this going. Q-Fant, Sprigatito, Cobra, Fungus, Electrode, Hops Bag, Klinklank, Lotad. Oh, let's go! Lily's, Rimby, something like that. Butterfree, Basic Energy, and then Code. Man, I'm getting loaded with these packs today. I haven't got a single dud pack. It's been all hits. Yeah, I don't know how to say that one, sorry. Torchic. I think it's Togedemaru. Yeah, don't know. Of course I know how to say that. Articuno. Postwick. Quaff. Meltang. Comfy. And Electrolux, that's the first dud pack. Basic Energy, and then the code card. Keep it open. American? I don't know for some of these. Noibat, Loyal and Geodude, Lotad, Sandaconda, Copperjaw, Ends Castle, Carablast, Regice, Ends Rusharem, Darkness Energy, and then code card. 2 dud packs so far. Paris, Mercy, Paldean Wooper, Indimp. Yeah, I'm sorry for not pronouncing some of these right. It's just I don't know how to pronounce every Pokemon right. So yeah, it's just how it is. Super Potion, Hops Corviknight, Mercy, Bill and Onair, Ludicolo, Electric Energy code card. Centret, Zorar, Tropius, Swinub, yeah, oh gosh, Pelipper, Pedalian Whooper, Tokenomaru, ooh, Blaziken. Blaziken's one of my favorite Gen 3 starter, so that's a good one right there. Then we got Fighting Energy, and then code card. Last pack for the Journey Together booster bundle. Then we move on to the Chaos Rising booster bundle. Whelmer, Tadpole, Cramoran, Flogato, Bayonet, it's Pangoro, Grimmsnarl, Metagross, Noibat, and Mousecurata. Fire Energy, and then code card. Now, let's move into the Chaos Rising booster bundle. 6 packs of this. If I can ever get it open. There we go. Got 6 packs of Chaos Rising. Let's get this going. Chespin, Esper, Mareep, Minccino, Deoxys, just forget it, Ninetales, Frogadier, Froakie, and a Cinccino EX. Dark Psychic Energy code card. I know I've actually been uploading a lot recently. I've just been getting lucky recently with the vending machines and stuff. Emolga, Minccino, Litleo, Golbat, Deoxys, Skuntank, Phillip, Ampharos, AZ Tranquility, Ho-Ho, Metal Energy code card. Next pack. Keep on going with this. Hopefully get some more good cards. Skuntank, no, it's Skunky, Fennekin, Quilladin, Frogadier, Forthorn, Deoxys, Transformation Tomb, Sudowoodo, Goodra, Keldeo, Leaf Energy code card. Now we got the Greninja pack. Let's see if we can get that Greninja. Esper, Frogadier, Weedle, Quillfish, Metagross, Meowstic, Garbodor, Golisopod. Ooh, Watchog. That's a cool one. Watchog illustration rare. Xerneas, Darkness Energy code card. Man, I'm getting lucky today. Skrulp, Goomy, Donphan, Phantom, Sudowoodo, Skuntank, Deoxys, Emolga, Deoxys again, Crobat, Fire Energy, and another code card. Let's see here. Goomy, Phantom, Skuntank, not Skunky, Froakie, Tauros, yeah, not a try, Deoxys, Roxy's Performance, Quillfish, and a Trevenant. Basic metal energy code card, but this is what we got today. We got Watchog, Cinccino, Blaziken, Lily's Rumby, Savali, and I'm not gonna try, but this card is actually really sick. I love the colors on that one. But that's it for today, guys. Hopefully next time I'll have some more packs to show you guys. But that's it. See you guys next time.